Part 1. The Freak Lightning Bolt. I was just your average delivery driver until one night, lightning struck my van out of nowhere. When I woke up, I was completely fine. Van totaled. But me? Not a scratch. Then it got weird. I stopped needing sleep, could hear my neighbor's phone from 2 floors down, and when I got angry, things broke. Without touching them. I posted anonymously on Reddit asking if anyone had experienced something similar. Someone replied instantly, "Stop using your powers. They're watching."